Imagine feeding a crumpled receipt, a PDF invoice, and a Stripe export into a system, and getting back a Visa-ready income pocket in under 3 minutes.
No way! 3 minutes?
Yep, welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode 18. I'm Marcus Chen. In the next minutes, we'll build a practical, ethical income passport you can make in a day and start selling or using it to win visa approvals.
Love that. Quick framing. People don't usually lack income. They lack clean, auditable records. This episode is about turning bookkeeping friction into mobility.
Right. At a high level, the income passport does 5 things. Capture receipts and invoices, extract structured data via OCR, classify transactions with an LLM, write a ledger, and generate an exportable professional report with source evidence. That report is what immigration officers, landlords, or clients can review without a mess.
Hold up. How do we make sure those automatic classifications don't invent stuff? Like an LLM saying a refund is income would be catastrophic.
Exactly why we designed for human in the loop. The model returns a requires review flag whenever it's unsure. We surface those rows in Airtable for 1-minute checks rather than blind trust. Automation speeds things up. Human review prevents catastrophes.
Good. Also, provenance matters. Keep the original file, the OCR text, and the exchange rate citation alongside the ledger row.
Let's get tactical but keep it bite-sized. Short path. OCR, classification, ledger, report. Start with doc parser or make for OCR. Airtable or Notion holds the ledger. Zapier or Make wires the automation. Use an LLM endpoint for classification. Prompt engineer first, fine-tune later if you scale.
Right.
Here's the exact prompt I use. Say it into your builder or paste into a webhook. You are a meticulous finance assistant. Given this OCR JSON, return a single JSON object with fields date, YYY, MMDD, client name, canonical, invoice ID, original amount, original currency, amount USD, or target currency, using the provided exchange rate. Category, invoice, refund, expense. Short description, 1 sentence. Evidence link. If any field is ambiguous, mark requires review with a short reason.
That forces structure. Nice. And the requires review becomes your safety valve.
Exactly. Keep the response shape strict. Here's a sample JSON to paste into your webhook or share with a contractor. Date, 2026-02-03, client name, Acme Co., invoice ID, INV 3421, original amount, 1200.00, original currency, Euro, amount USD, 1290.45, category, invoice, short description, UX design retainer, February 2026, evidence link, https://drive.link/file.pdf. Requires review, false.
Got it. 2 practical additions. Log the exchange rate source and date, and scrub unnecessary PII. Never store full card numbers or passwords.
And storage. Use provider-vetted buckets or an encrypted drive with OAuth. Don't email raw exports. Small ops like key rotation and least privilege access prevent most leaks.
Okay, real talk. I'm still uneasy about sending clients' financial docs to a black box LLM. How do you justify that ethically?
Fair question. The justification is transparency and control. We never send raw banking exports without consent. We log every API call, require human review for flagged items, and give clients the option to redact fields. Plus, the system's purpose is documentation, not tax advice. Always pair it with a referral to a human accountant when complexity arises.
Nice. That's the right balance. Useful automation, explicit human oversight, clear consent.
Implementation steps you can finish in a day. 1. Collect 10 invoices, 5 receipts, and a payment CSV. 2. Create OCR rules in doc parser or make and map fields to JSON. 3. Build a Zap make flow to post that JSON to your LLM with the prompt I gave. 4. Write the return JSON into Airtable rows with attachments. 5. Create a Google Doc or Notion template that aggregates monthly totals and exports as PDF. That PDF is your income passport.
Short test. Show that PDF to a friend who doesn't know your business. If they understand your income story, you're done. If not, iterate the descriptions.
Monetization. 3 clean models. 1. A DIY kit with templates and Zap recipes. 2. A one-day managed setup where you build a client's passport. 3. A monthly retainer that keeps records cleaned and exports quarterly bundles. Price by outcome. Clients pay for confidence and time saved.
And the time math is easy to sell. Reclaim 2-3 hours a week from manual bookkeeping and charge a fraction of the hourly savings for a managed service.
Pitfalls to design against: misclassification, privacy gaps, and currency mismatches. Fixes: requires review flags, rotate keys and use OAuth, and always store exchange rate source and date.
One more friction. Some accountants worry this replaces them. I don't buy that. It augments their workflow, surfaces anomalies, and frees them for judgment work. Always include an accountant referral step.
Quick starter you can run right now. Gather 10 records into a folder, sign up for a doc parser or make trial, set a parser rule, send parse JSON to your LLM with the prompt I read, write results in Airtable, and export a Google Doc PDF. One flow, immediate passport.
When offering this as a service, include a simple data processing agreement. Allow clients to redact fields and publish your security practices. That builds trust fast.
If you want the full build and sell playbook, exact automations, Airtable schema, Zap recipes, folder structures, client proposals, and pricing, I teach this in our course. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.
Start small, but think big. Build 1 month of records, export a PDF, and iterate. That tiny habit powers long-term mobility.
That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.
Let's make this actually work for you. See you tomorrow with another episode.